Welcome to the Tesla stock news page. This video will show you how Tesla is transforming its production process with a new body and battery design that will give them a significant competitive advantage. Two enormous Giga castings and a crucial battery pack, which support the vehicle's frame and reduce mass by 10 to save 370 pieces, make up Tesla's revolutionary design, which increases range by up to 14 miles. Tesla uses an extremely powerful machine called the Giga press, which is manufactured by Hydra. These machines are used for high-pressure aluminum die casting, which is a method of producing large metal parts for automobiles. Giga Berlin has 8 6,000-ton machines, and there are two different Giga cast things. Tesla has the capacity to produce 4,000 cars every day, or 28,000 cars every week, which equates to an astounding 1.5 million cars annually. Let's examine this groundbreaking production method in more depth, but not before giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. When Tesla debuted the Model 3 in 2017, it was their first attempt at producing an electric car on a large scale. Car expert Sandy Munro dismissed the car's concealed technology as not worth his attention, but a year later he was persuaded to give it another look and was astounded by what he discovered. Tesla was a leader in a number of fields, including battery technology, drivetrains, and electronics, but the vehicle's body was too complicated, costly, and difficult to make. Munro discovered that the body and the wheel consisted of 9 parts rather than 1. Which increased complexity and failure probability. The car body was wholly unsatisfactory due to the several kinds of welding and fastening techniques. Although Munro offered 227 enhancements for Tesla, the body remained the primary issue. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk decided to update their game after receiving constructive criticism. Musk is tired of hearing negative things about the quality of Tesla vehicles, so he decided to revolutionize the company's body and battery engineering by developing a product that will put them years ahead of the competition. Tesla wants to be the best manufacturing company in the world. Their new body design, which will begin with the Model I, their Giga Berlin factory in Germany, will reduce mass by 10, save 370 parts, and increase the vehicle's range by up to 14 miles. The new design is made up of 2 enormous Giga castings and an essential battery pack that supports the vehicle structure. There is more to the product than just the Giga castings. As previously noted, Tesla is introducing new machinery to the automotive production industry with the Giga press, an incredibly potent device manufactured by an organization called Hydra. These devices are employed in high-pressure aluminum die casting, a process that creates substantial metal components for automobiles. Hydra has been producing these kinds of machines since 1946, and its parent business, LK Technology, is one of the companies that Tesla has already put these machines in all 4 of its gigafactories worldwide, with at least 3 located in Giga Shanghai, 2 in California, and 1 in each of Giga Berlin and Giga Austin. Similar business lines found in Hong Kong. Although Lake serves various markets, while Hydra concentrates on high-tech projects requiring imported machinery. According to Elon Musk, the first 2 Giga presses that Tesla acquired were from China and Italy. Hydra even has a subsidiary in China and Hydra China. These are incredibly powerful and large machines. The Model I casting machine can mold metal up to 6,000 tons of pressure. Tesla has reportedly ordered an 8,000-ton machine for the Cybertruck. The machine weighs approximately 420 tons, or approximately 900,000 pounds. What makes these machines unique is their ability to create large parts within thin walls, which is ideal for car parts. Additionally, each machine can produce approximately 1,000 castings per day, with a cycle time of about 1.5 minutes at an extremely high temperature, 850 degrees Celsius. Tesla's unique aluminum alloy is melted down. Any byproducts are then removed from the liquid metal surface, and the metal is then transported through pipes into a warming oven where different gases are employed to prevent impurities. Using 8 6,000-ton machines in Giga Berlin and 2 separate Giga castings, Tesla can produce 4,000 vehicles per day or 28,000 per week, an astounding 1.5 million vehicles annually. That's, yes, just for the Model Y. Who knows what else they have in store? The mold is sprayed with oil by a robot to facilitate easy removal of the casting later. The mold is then clamped shut and a vacuum pumps out the air from inside. Approximately 80 kilometers of molten metal is injected into the mold at a super fast speed of 10 meters per second. The mold fills up in just 60 to 100 milliseconds, which is incredibly fast. Finally, the excess aluminum is cut off and recycled immediately. Oh, and instead of utilizing Yahoo Finance or Google Finance, you should visit market.open.com for stock quotes and financial statistics. When Sandy Munro and his colleagues examined Tesla's current mega castings, basically extremely large auto parts, they discovered that the majority of the material was aluminum, which made them robust without the need for further heat treatment that may go wrong. The rear underbody of the Model 3 consisted of 70 parts, but it now only uses 2 large mega castings. The new Model I from Tesla is likely to use the same alloy to create even larger castings that hold the entire rear underbody and crash rails together. This is significant because it allows them to produce car parts in one large piece rather than several smaller ones. Although this concept is not new, it is difficult to convince others in the auto business to give it serious consideration. However, Jerome Gillum, the president of heavy-duty trucking at Tesla, believes it is a good idea. In fact, he stated in 2019 that Tesla will manufacture automobiles in the same manner as tour cars, and Elon Musk repeated the same statement in 2021. Remarkably, the creator of a business that partners with Tesla for castings also discussed building cars in a manner similar to that of toy cars, which suggests that Tesla may be collaborating with them to produce even larger castings. Oh, and the casting partner has a Giga press, which is a massive machine capable of producing extremely large car parts. It's likely that other businesses might test the technique and utilize these large machines to manufacture their gigantic castings, because someone who's a great fan of their machines even ordered 3 of them, including the largest die casting machine in the world. Other automakers could attempt to reverse engineer or create their one-piece design, but it is not very useful for them to copy the exact parts made by Tesla's special machine for custom parts. Tesla has a patent for a multi-directional unit body casting machine that enables them to create the majority of the car using just a few large pieces. Many have been wondering why Tesla doesn't just buy the company that makes this special machine called the Giga press. However, Tesla doesn't need that many of these machines, and they should outsource production to be more flexible in the future. In addition, if they bought a company, they would inherit other customers who might not be relevant to their business. Tesla wants to keep their options open and be able to ship to something else in the future if they need to. That's why they're not buying the company that makes the Giga presses, or other suppliers like Panasonic, which makes their batteries. Possible disadvantage of Tesla's Giga press is that many car parts depend on a limited number of machines. If any of these machines break down for maintenance or repairs, manufacturing line may stop completely unless Tesla can promptly restart them. Another worry is that should a car built with Giga press technology be involved in a little collision, the entire vehicle would be written off. This isn't ideal because it could result in higher insurance prices for Tesla vehicles, but Tesla is working to control costs by improving its insurance offering. Sandy Munro also made the observation that a minor mishap wouldn't harm the Giga casting because an impact would have to be powerful enough to penetrate the quite durable Giga in order to inflict such harm. And Musk has also stated that every damaged part may be taken out and replaced, but this would lead to a poorly structurally sound patchwork design. All things considered, Tesla's Giga press is being incorporated into all of its factories across the globe and is regarded as the future of automotive manufacturing. The Giga press will enable the production of more precise, high quality, and longer range electric vehicles, while also helping Tesla increase its output. Please share your opinions with me in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more amazing material.